Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do with if other people's Instagram stories are not showing up. So if you go to the very top of Instagram here and you're not seeing a bunch of stories here, there are probably 3 different reasons, and I'll walk you through those 3 reasons. They're all pretty quick and easy. So let's begin. The first one is potentially you have heard that somebody posted a story, say, and you can't actually see it. The potential reason is because they have not allowed you to see that story. So if I tap on the little camera icon on the top left here and make just, a random story, and then I go to send to, I can choose close friends only, and I can change who those close friends are, and I can add in whoever I want as a close story. But ultimately, potentially they shared a story, but you weren't in their close friends list, so you can't see that. So that's one of the reasons. Let's go over another reason. So if you close out of this and go back to the main Instagram, what you will want to do is go to the person's profile. So say go, in this case, I'm going to Jimmy's profile. If you can go to their profile and see everything and it shows you that you're following them and not blocked, then that's a good sign. So potentially, if you go to that person's profile and it says you're blocked, you obviously can't see their story because they blocked you. So hopefully that's not the case, but if they did block you, you obviously can't see their story. And then the very last one, this is, kind of a weird instance, but we've seen this several times. These stories are all basically on a timer that they disappear after a certain period of time. So if your date and time are not basically, accurate, they, potentially they've gotten messed up over time, then all these stories could disappear. So what you'll want to do is go out of here and then go into your settings. And then from settings, you can go into general here, and then you'll see date and time, and you tap on that. And you should see set automatically to on. And basically if it's set to a weird time and date, then potentially Instagram thinks, oh, all of these stories have expired because your phone shows the wrong date. So make sure that's set to automatic and turned on, and then go back to Instagram and refresh and check. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.